Hello and welcome back to Developer's Guide. Today we learn a few tips and tricks and a few shortcuts in Android to use with Android Studio that would make your life very easier. So let's begin. The first thing that most of the developers know about is Alt Enter. Alt Enter it is a very useful key. Whenever you see error, just do Alt Enter and you will see many options will you will get a pop-up of many options on your screen. As you can see, when we go like this, either you can click Alt Enter or you can click here. Then you can do import class and it will get import. Okay, then there is also an option of find. Okay, this generally works with any editor or any code studio, any IDE. So there are many options. The shortcut for this is Command F. Okay, in Windows, Control F. So what you need to do, if you need to search a word that is very common, in our case it's M. Okay, so you can do two things. Wherever there is a M, you can just search it, or you can search wherever there is a complete M, wherever M is a complete word. Okay, in our case, like if we click here words, then only M, which is a complete word, would be searched. Like you can see here M. Okay, but if we remove this, all the M's in our program would be displayed. Okay, so you can see 22 matches, but like this 4 matches. Then match case, like this you can see M only in small caps would be, like if we right here, if we do capital M, so then also we'll see like this 4 matches, but we do match cases, then 0 matches. Okay, so this is one of the things that you all must know and know how to do this. And then there is one more thing. Okay, that is multiple shifts. By doing this, clicking shift twice, you will get you will get a search. You can search here anything related to your code. Like if you want to migrate to Android X, so you'll get migrate to Android X, or whatever you want to, whatever things you want to search, like main activity.java, so we get it here. Okay, then most of the times users don't want to delete their code. They just want that their code must be commented, but then it takes a lot of time to do comments. So there is a very easy option. Just select all the lines that you want to give as a comment, and then just click on command and slash, and in Windows control and slash, and all the lines that you want would get commented. And when you again click command slash, all the lines would get uncommented. Okay, so this is a very easy trick, and it saves a lot of time for developers, as you all can see. Okay, yeah. Now one more thing, find and replace. Most of the times, developers want to change their variable names. Like here we want to change our M to, let's say, W. We'll change our M to W. Okay, and then you can go on and replace it, all the M to W, one by one. W. Okay, why it's not replacing? Okay, then replace, then again go down, replace, or you can do one thing, replace all. Okay, once you do replace all the M's would be replaced to W. Okay, now we'll do one thing, we'll just replace all the W's to M. Okay, now so this is also a very easy trick, and this also works with most of the editors, most of the code editors, so it's very handy with developers. Now the other thing that we are going to learn today is ADB, that is Android Debug Bridge. It's a very useful trick, and we all have been using ADB, but we are using it using wired setup. We are using ADB using wired setup, but this time we'll use ADB wirelessly. For getting ADB settings, know about ADB, you can visit developers.android.com and you can know more about ADB. And to install ADB, there is a website. I'll give the link in the description, and you can get for all the three platforms: Windows, Mac and Linux. Okay, and let's begin. Okay, so for using ADB, first you can download and install the ADB. Then we need to get ADB devices and check whether our device is attached. Here you can see this is our device ID. Now what we need to do is start a server at port 5555. Okay, so this server is started now, and then we need to go to the IP. We need to get the IP address. Okay, no, first thing we need to see that our laptop and our phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi. Then we need to get the IP of our phone. Okay, now we are connected, and now we have got IP. Okay, so ADB connect 192.168.225.178:5555. This is the port. Okay, now it's connected, and now we'll view our device. And now you can see when I remove the cable, then also we can view our Android device. Okay, now you can see we are having two. Now as you can see we are having two devices, but as we remove our cable, the cable one goes, and we are left with Wi-Fi only. Let's close these two. Okay. Now all the things will work here very well, like you can run your code, and as you can see the code will get compiled and run. But this trick most of the developers know, but I am gonna tell you something very special about this. That is, first we need to kill the server. This code this basically stops all the ADB servers. Okay, it's gone. Now the thing I'm gonna tell you is we are going to control ADB. We are gonna control our device from anywhere in the world using internet. Yeah, there's one condition, that a laptop and a phone both must be connected to the internet, and then we can use ADB. There's no foundation that both must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, or they both must be in the same Wi-Fi zone. Okay, so but first you need to connect your phone using cable, then ADB TCP/IP 5555. Okay, now ADB. Now you just need to get your device IP this time. So this is your device IP. Basically this is your device IP. Okay, now ADB connect 25.244.219.27 colon 5555. Okay. Sorry guys, as you can see it's gone, but we are having this. Now this is working over the internet. As you can see, an IP was displayed there, so it's not connected to my cable, and you can see my phone is also not connected to a Wi-Fi network, and you can see not connected to Wi-Fi. My laptop is connected to Wi-Fi, but my phone is not connected to Wi-Fi, so this proves that they both are on different networks. So all the functions will work very well. Like you can you can run the code, you can run your code. You can see this code is running properly. You can even control your phone from here, but there is a bit of lag as it is working over the internet. So if the connection is not proper, so the device basically there would be a lag in the display. Okay, so this was some of the tricks that you can use in Android Studio. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe our channel, and stay tuned for our future updates. And yes guys, I would like to tell you that this video was made on request of Vikas. He's one of our subscriber, and he asked me to make this video. So if any of you guys want a video on a specific topic, do make sure you comment in our video, or you send me an email at my email ID. Guys, if you want me to record this video in Hindi or my all the videos in Hindi, kindly comment me on my video, and if I get a lot of comments, I'll make sure to make all my videos in Hindi too and post it as soon as possible. Okay guys, thank you for watching.